Hey guys, this is question MM082 of the Maths Methods Sharpen Study Guide. Here we've got two simultaneous equations. We've got kx take 2y equals 0 and 2x plus k take 4y equals 0, where k is a real constant. Find the value of k for which there are infinitely many solutions. So there's two important things to this. Firstly, we need to get these two simultaneous equations into a form that is understandable. So we want to get both of them into the form y equals mx plus c. The other thing is this infinitely many solutions thing. So if there are infinitely many solutions, that means that there are infinitely many points of intersection between these two graphs, which means that they have the same equation, which means that m1 equals m2 and c1 equals c2, which is why we need to get them in the form y equals mx plus c. So we'll start with the first equation. Let's call this 1 and this 2. We've got kx take 2y equals 0. And we want to get y by itself, basically. So we've got negative 2y equals negative kx plus 0, which is just 0. And y equals negative k over negative 2, which is just positive k over 2, x. Pretty simple. The second equation, we've got 2x plus k take 4y equals 0. So when both of these sides are 0, it's actually quite easy. Well, not easy, simple, I should say. So we've got k take 4 times y equals negative 2x. And dividing both sides by k take 4, we get negative 2 over k take 4 times x. So, which means that our first m value is k over 2, and our second m value is negative 2 over k take 4. So, these two actually have a c value of 0, so their c values are always going to be the same because they're just 0. So what we need to do is find out what values of k which values of k give a gradient that is the same on both equations. So our first gradient is k on 2, which we got from here, and our second gradient is negative 2 over k take 4. So now we need to figure out which values of k satisfy that. So multiplying both sides by 2, we get negative 4 on this side, 2 times negative 2, and then multiplying both sides by k take 4, we get k times k take 4, which gives us k squared take 4k. And then if we bring that 4 to the other side, we get plus 4, and that equals 0. Now at this stage, we get, by factorizing this, we get 0 equals k take 2 squared, because negative 2 times negative 2 equals positive 4, and then negative 2 take negative 2 equals negative 4. Which means that if we square root both sides, we get 0 equals k take 2, and therefore k equals 2. Which means that when k equals 2, and I would actually write this so that you're answering the question properly, when k equals 2, there are infinite solutions. And that is your final answer.